Hey guys, back here at the active mill that we were previously checking out. Right now we are headed toward the trapper's cabin, but we're going to check out the smokehouses that are up here and whatever this little shanty is over this way. So come on with me and we will see what there is to see. I think I would like to do tours of this place. I think I'd be a great tour guide, huh? Just gotta learn a little bit more about it. Now I'm sure I could open these, but for right now, I don't want to upset anyone or whatnot, but that's a cute little bench. I like that. This is beautiful. That chinking with the mud and stuff. That's pretty cool. Wow, that's an old smokehouse. I'm just going to come back a little, guys, and see if I can get a nice visual on it for a picture. That's cool. There we go. Get that sun out of the picture. Oh, the picture. We're going to go check this one out a little closer, because I think we can get right in this one. Look at this bird's nest. Are there any babies in there? It's a pretty cool bird's nest. Well, since it's just a little stick, it's very basic. Are there racks in there? Oh yeah, there's a rack up there. I don't think they do much smoking in here. Well, look at those neat nails that are on the... That's pretty cool. Alright, let's put this back together. Cool, cool. Oh, this is a settler's cabin. This is cute. I'm going to try and get out of the angle of the sun, which is not happening. I would like to get a picture of this beautiful little cabin. That is beautiful. Let's go check it out. Very basic bed in there. Looks like to be a table, maybe a water pail and a fireplace, and a nice dining table in there. See if I can show you the dining table. It's pretty cute, huh? Wow, look at the shakes. That's such a cool roof. Alright, let us go down toward the trapper's cabin. I think that was the last thing on this area. Looks like a turnaround. Yep, so let's go down here to the trapper's cabin. And then we'll go back and check out the fish again and check out the dam again. So you can see down here is where the mill area is, and then the Sawyer's cabin and all that is up this way. Now we're headed down to the trapper's cabin. This is where the smokehouse and the settler's cabin are. That's where the hand water pump is. And now we're heading this way to the trapper's cabin. Let's go. Horsetail growing. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so cool looking when it grows. Like little Christmas trees. Wow, This is cool. This is a cool little shanty here. Alright, so this might be the trapper's cabin, I guess. So neat. Look at these nails. You're in the fire pit. I don't see why I can't just grab it. I'm gonna take this one. That's really cool. Some bigger ones. This is beautiful, guys. Holy shit. Excuse my language. Wow. And we even saw eagles in the other video. How amazing. So we gotta check this thing out. This is pretty cool, huh? I am literally getting swarmed with bugs right now. Literally. Oh, look, guys. So this is where this is called the fish ladder. Okay, I get it now. So this is where they're coming up, and you can literally see them. Their fins are all here in the water. Yep, okay, and these are definitely alewives. These ones here, I can see them. So watch the white, and you can see their fins coming out. That's really cool. I can definitely see these are for sure alewives. So whatever little mistake I thought I had back there, they look like trout. Well, that was because I couldn't see them close enough. So they're also trying to get up this. That is so cool, guys. I mean, I don't think it gets any cooler than that. Wow, look at them all. Can you guys see that? I wish yeah, there you go. I wish I could put my polarized glasses over my camera. Look at that, guys. I could reach out and grab those things. Look at them. That is so cool. Alright. They're everywhere. Everywhere, guys. Running black, baby. Running black. Alright, let's see what else is up here. I think that's probably it, I would say. And I am literally getting covered in black flies right now, so this is definitely the fish ladder. That's cool. No shit. I am really sorry about the noise, guys. I know this sounds like hell on my camera. This reminds me of the log flume ride at the amusement parks. Wow, that is so cool, just watching them fight to get up these things, and they're just doing it. That is so cool. And this is all about the alewives. That is awesome. So we're right here, Leonard's Mills, and then Penobscot River. Wow, that's awesome. Holy cows. They built these. 17 weirs is what they're called. Wow, that's awesome. It's called the Donnell Fish Ladder. How freaking cool is that? That's so cool! Wow. Unreal, guys. That's cool. They're all up here. You can see them up here too. I wish I had a polarized lens for my camera. Woo! Did you see that? My hand wasn't in the way. Oh my gosh. You just like jumped right up there. That's wild how these fish are seriously just making it up. They're just using all their little energy and shooting right up these ladders. That's unreal. Unreal. That's cool. So right over there is where the Sawyer's cabin and the different areas are. But that's where they're doing the construction, so we're not going to go over there. Wow. Guys, this was an awesome, awesome experience. I'm so grateful that I came out here. We saw eagles. There's some ducks flying away right there. We got to see the alewives coming up this fish ladder. I mean, this is totally cool. Well, they're definitely not making it up that. That's interesting to find out. So they fight all their way to get up here. And then there's nowhere for them to go. That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. They can't get up here. I'm confused. Somebody tell me how this works. So there's no way that the alewives can get up through this stuff, because there's a big screen and a grate right there, so they definitely can't get up through that. Aw, so they have to fight all their way for nothing? Then what? Weird. That's weird. So they just have them, so this spot right here is like an attraction, that's all, because these fish have nowhere to go. You know, I mean, they don't. So they just sit here and try and climb up, and then they can't get past that. Well, that's weird, and I don't know how I feel about that. Well, that is awesome. I'm really glad that we got to see those, and I hope you guys got to see them too. I know it's difficult on my camera, but you can definitely see them trying to get up these little ladders. See, these guys are really fighting for it, so let's see if I can zoom in on them. See them? It's so funny. But I would think that they would want to go up this part so they can actually get to the water. So yeah, that's pretty much just like for you guys to sit and watch. This is where they need to be coming up, and you can see them there. They're making it. They're here. These ones are caught up in the rocks here. Probably grab one. That is so crazy. They're everywhere. Alright guys, I really hope you liked this video. I apologize for the noise, but I really hope you think it was worth it, because this is cool. Really, really cool spot. And honestly, I really hope you guys come check this out. If you do, hit me up. Let me know you're coming, and maybe we can go out for dinner or coffee or something. Meet my viewers. All right. Take care, guys.